right? You can see. Please smash the like button, hit subscribe. And we'll continue it. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Damn, bro. Oh my god. Wait. Oh shit. The frick is that? Bro, that's huge. Okay, guys, this is city. Guys, this is city. Okay. Oh my god, boy. Gonna go, bro. Oh shit. I don't need to run. I just need to cover this thing. Oh my god. No guys, I'm so laggy right now. You can see how laggy. And that noise, never mind that noise, bro. You cannot hear you. I just need to go. I'm in the city. I'm stuck in here. I'm so disappointed with this city is huge, bro. Nothing to be impossible. Bro. I don't know what's going on, but what the hell is this? Bro, it's a stick. What? What is this? I mean, what the frick? Bro, never mind that noise. Oh my god, bro. I'm supposed to recorder, bro. Oh my god. You know, guys, this is no cut, no edit, just simple live, okay? So, for that now, just need to chill right now. No cut, because I'm gonna cut. Oh my god, I'm gonna cut. My Minecraft is so. Never mind that. I cannot see. No, the fuck is. Fucking shit. I don't know how to speak English because I'm. You know, guys, I'm Philippines. I don't really. Japan. And I don't really. Oh my god. I don't really know how to speak English. That's it. Can I grab the pickaxe? Oh my god, what is this? Bro, this is not stick. Bro. Bro, the Minecraft's broken right now, bro. This is created card. Bro, whoa. This is card, bro. Oh my god. The city is huge. Oh, hell no. What the frick? Snow cut. No. Just gonna be chill, bro. Okay, this thing was right now. My god. Oh yeah, teleport. Found you, bro. Now it's. Oh my god, the bong. Thor. Oh my god, I don't like this one because that was that. Okay. Ay, stupid, can you teleport me to my house, bro? To my house. Can you teleport me to my house? Bro, it's nothing here. Oh my god, the bank. Ooh, bro. This is a mapa. Bro, oh, look. It's the house. Wait. Bro, why is this no color? Literally. Wouldn't. No. It's no house. What the fuck is so many house, bro? So many building in here. Okay, this is fucking shit. Oh, this is a barrier. Okay, this is stupid. That is stupid. Okay, this is a bank, right? Oh, this is bank. Okay, this is a car, bro. Oh, bro, god, bro. I'm so bored right now because I'm alone, bro. I'm so wanna the server. I mean, this, you know, guys, this is offline. I'm forced them to create this. You know this. I'm create account because I'm so bored right now, bro. I play Bed Wars, but you know this fucking shit going to happen. It's so laggy right now. It's so laggy. So I'm dead over and over. Couple of hours. I'm dying. You know what? This is beautiful. I cannot take my screenshot, but I don't want to. You know what? I take a screenshot. I think I need to hide. Either distance. I need to change the 8 right now, bro. Oh, bro, looks so the shape. Oh, yeah. Come on, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. What the freaking shit? Look. Look that. The fog is in there. The fog is in there. Hello, rather distance. Hello, rather distance. Oh, yeah. It's change. I'm so stupid. I'm lagging right now, bro. Yep. Oh, shit. What is this lower? I not like that lower. Oh, my God. Okay. This way. Okay, can I decide it? Oh, the freaking shit. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh, this is just. What is this inside, bro? What in this? Oh, bro, it's empty, bro. Empty. Okay, this is. Wait. Bro, what is this, bro? What the frick? Wait. Bro, oh my god, it's a stop it in the Minecraft, bro. Bro, what the freaking this thing, bro? Oh, this is a bed. Wait, cannot step. That is a block. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what the freaking shit? Wow, what the Gonna go upside. I mean outside, not upside. I don't really know how to speak English. There's no, I'm not America. I'm Philippines right now. I'm so sorry guys. Okay. Gonna around this city. Until wait, no. Cannot do it live in YouTube because I live in WhatsApp and so lag. Open my Wi-Fi so lag in tower. Okay, this is a map again. So what is that? Green. Okay, what is green? What is that green, guys? What is that green? Oh my god. Give me that. But I'm not hungry. Bro, what the freaking shit? Oh, I need to get. What is this city? Bro, oh my god, bro. I think I'm so far away right now. Wait, I see something. Oh, that's it. This is a barn. This is a boss, bro. The boss. Mall. Mega boy. Wait. Say mall. Okay, small. Shut the fuck up, mama. Wait, what is? I think. Oh my god, bro, looks so beautiful. I think it's but. Oh shit, so many of this. I need to screenshot. Oh my god, the text. Oh my god, this is so. Bro, I'm so lag. What the freaking shit? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm so laggy right now, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. What is this? Boy, what is this? What is this, man? Oh my god. I'm not sure that not fall to the void. Okay, no, bro. Oh my god, bro. What in the freaking shit? What the fuck? So laggy. What is happening? Oh my god, don't mind that now, bro. Oh my god, this is my brother. Looks like ugly. They're ugly, bro. Don't mind what I do. Oh my god, bro. I'm tired of this fucking shit. It's still laggy. What the fuck is this, man? Look, I still look. Go like that and not. Oh my god, whatever is that number? Bro, it's just that shit. Wait. How would I die? How can I? Bro. Bro. It's totally up there, bro. So I'm not time. Bro, my god, this man got so many bugs. What is that look? Oh, this. Oh, no, man. Okay, item 1 now. What else do you think? Talk. We have close from place. Okay, daw. Button. No. To play which. Here, credit card. Okay. Wait, this. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Oh. This is stuff. I forgot about it. I see. I used to. Oh yeah. What the Thank you very much. Not my what I do. Item 1 fucking shit. Stupid.
My neighbors ka.
Oh my god, man. What the shit the fucking shit? Hell no. Oh, hell no. Hell no ba? What the fucking shit? Oh shit, I'm so lagged. What now? So guys, this is the end. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. What?